Joe's Gold and Silver has 3 locations: Beverly Hills, Encino, and now Hawaiian Gardens. Joe's Gold and Silver promises to pay you the highest prices.
We simply pay more for your gold than anybody else, and we guarantee to match or beat anybody's price. We buy gold and silver jewelry in any condition, broken or not, mismatched earrings, chains, rings, necklaces, platinum rings. We buy coins, gold and silver coins, and we buy sterling silver flatware and jewelry as well.
Joe's Gold and Silver will beat any local price. And now if you sell 200 grams of gold, 10 carat and up, you can get a free Apple iPad. Check for restrictions. Joe's Gold and Silver, South Robertson, Beverly Hills, Ventura Boulevard, Encino, and Carson Street, Hawaiian Gardens. 818-JOE-GOLD and 818joegold.com.